you have been told. You reach for that bird and you will get the biggest smack you've ever had in your life. Toby, Jack! You reach again, you will get the biggest smack you've ever had in your life. That was nothing because I couldn't reach you. You're doing well. See, she's just watching. She's being smart. Good boy, Hamish. Good boy, Toby. I don't mind you watching, but as soon as you try and reach for him, you will get punished. Just like Angel does when she tries to torment him. What's he doing, Tobes? Good boy, Anish. Good girl, Don't be all left out and trading the kittens. Someone's got to do it. I won't mind Tobes. Yes, the little ginger one's Tobes. You used to play with Bird until Sooty, little black thing, tried to keep eating him. Toby, don't you dare! You get another smack. That's what I thought. No. You can look, you can't climb, and you can give me that look all you want, Sunshine. Because it won't get up, you can smack with it. Good boy. I know. Told you, you can't touch him though. You can look, but you can't touch. Just because your sister does it and she's naughty, don't mean you can. Ines, get your fat bum to the side. Get your bones. Get your mum to the side. Good boy. Bum down. Got ya. You thought I weren't paying attention because I was talking to Hayne. Well, I got you, you vicious monster. Leave him alone. Anish, chill out. Can I watch this now, yeah? Good guys.